Hello and welcome to the Purple Monster series of memorable meetings, and we're looking at our PIE model, which is the idea of physical, intellectual and emotional in how we put together a meeting. And today we're looking at an intellectual part of the model. This is the model, and this time we're looking at content and engagement. What's the matter? What are you doing?
Your interactive whiteboard isn't working.
What? Listen, I'm doing the presentation right now.
Started? Oh,
yeah.
Sorry. Well, I've identified the problem. The problem is it's not actually interactive. It's just a whiteboard.
So how are we going to do the graphics then?
I've got a pen.
Okay.
I'll draw them up.
Okay, you crack on.
Don't worry, you won't see me. It'll all be taken out in post. You'll just see the words appearing magically.
Oh, okay, great. Right. So just ignore Howard. We often do. So what we're looking at now is you've got the venue, you've got the speaker, you've also got a theme potentially. So what are you going to say and what are you going to do? 3 things we like to share. Number 1, don't overload the agenda. If you get too much content or too much context, we just fill the spaces up with everything and really people can't take it in. Try instead to take the essence of what you want and just make 2 or 3 really clear points in the day.
Can you say key messages?
Yeah.
I can draw a key.
Oh, okay. Key messages, make that come across. We have a great model for that. Howard will draw the model, he's not the model, which is Monroe's motivated sequence. And it goes like this: get attention, show me the need or the problem, provide a solution, then visualize that solution for me, and then tell me how to get into action. If you can do that model, it's really, really useful. It kind of gets the clear points across. Next up, this is about the way in which people are speaking. It's tempting to just go with leaders of the business or subject matter experts who of course know everything. But the problem with people who know everything, they want to tell you everything. Instead, look for people who are engaging, who share compelling stories. We'll do more about stories in a later one, but for now, just know that stories illustrate points really well and reach us emotionally. And if we get that, we're going somewhere that's good. Finally, the engagement part is all about participation. It's about sharing an experience together, doing something, trying something, discussing things together, having dialogue. We have a model for that too. It's context, experience, reflection. So sure, set the context, don't overdo it. Something about the experience, make sure there's a really great experience in there for people, something that they can share together, and finally let them have time to reflect. We all learn differently. And as Howard's drawing there. By the way, you're not pulling funny faces behind me or anything, are you?
No.
I know you, mate. Okay, so just to recap, don't give them too much information, don't overcrowd the agenda. Second, if you are having people speak, make sure that they're engaging, that they share things through stories, not just data. And finally, make sure that there's a real genuine experience for people to share together and reflect upon. In that way, you're heading towards a memorable meeting. Well, I hope you've enjoyed it, and I think Howard's probably caught up with the graphics too. Thank you.